Will AI replace receptionists? Or is it just going to change what it means to work at the front desk forever? Let's take a closer look at how artificial intelligence is transforming receptionist jobs and what that means for workers, businesses, and the future of customer service. Picture this. You walk into an office, expecting a friendly face to greet you. But in the near future, that face might actually be a screen powered by AI. Virtual assistants like ChatGPT, Google Duplex, and specialized receptionist bots are already handling tasks like scheduling appointments, greeting visitors, and answering customer questions with surprising accuracy and even a touch of empathy. So, does this mean traditional receptionist jobs are on the way out? Or are we just entering a new era for the front desk? Let's break it down. Right now, receptionists are the first point of contact for any business. They answer calls, schedule meetings, check in guests, handle paperwork, and keep everything running smoothly. It's a job that requires multitasking, organization, and a lot of people skills. But here's the twist. AI tools are now able to handle many of these tasks. Appointment scheduling? There's software for that. Visitor check-ins? Touchscreens and kiosks can do it. Answering frequently asked questions? Chatbots are available 24/7. AI-powered receptionist platforms like Front Desk AI, Ava Receptionist, and Robin are being adopted by more and more offices. These tools can greet visitors using a tablet or kiosk, instantly notify staff when someone arrives, answer common phone or email inquiries, and even connect to HR systems to help manage interviews. Plus, AI never calls in sick, never takes a vacation, and works around the clock. For businesses looking to cut costs and boost efficiency, that's a pretty tempting offer. But AI isn't perfect. It excels at repetitive, routine tasks like booking appointments, logging information, and answering predictable questions. It's fast, accurate, and can handle a high volume of requests. Where it falls short is in situations that require empathy, creative problem-solving, or dealing with the unexpected. Think about a nervous job candidate who needs reassurance, or a client with a unique request. That human warmth, body language, and emotional intelligence? AI just can't fully match it, at least not yet. So, what does the future look like? It's unlikely that AI will completely take over receptionist jobs. Instead, we'll probably see more hybrid roles, where AI handles the repetitive stuff and human receptionists focus on high-value personal interactions. For small businesses, an AI-only setup might make sense. But in industries like hospitality, healthcare, or law, the human touch will always be important. If you're a receptionist or thinking about becoming one, this could actually be a big opportunity. Receptionists who learn to work with AI tools will be in high demand. Instead of just being a gatekeeper, you could become an experience manager, delivering memorable customer service, managing workflows, and even taking on new responsibilities in administration or marketing. So, will AI replace receptionists? It will definitely change the job, but it won't replace the human element. The future is about collaboration, AI and humans working together to create smarter, more efficient workplaces. Would you be comfortable being greeted by an AI receptionist? Or do you still prefer a human smile at the front desk? Let us know in the comments, and if you're interested in more deep dives into AI and the future of work, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update.